Let us see what is the difference between star args and star args. Now star args passes different number of non-keyworded arguments. So it passes a tuple, whereas star args passes a dictionary. So here, if I specify a method like this, star num, that means it can take variable number of arguments, and then I just want to print a sum. So here when I call it is going to print the sum. Another way is star args. Now in star args, it's looking for the key value pairs. So here this is the key and this is the value, key, value, and so on. So here what gets passed is dictionary, and I can refer to the values by using key comma value in data.items of, and here I can pass the key and the value. See here when we pass, when we call any other method also, we pass like this. So here what we are making use of is star args. And under that star args, we are decoding whatever are the attribute and the value that is getting passed. So this is what makes including the Python programs in an easy manner.